Hi everyone, my name is Robert and this is Kingdom Architecture. Let me introduce to you the BlenderBIM add-on inside Blender, which allows you to import IFC files and validate, check how it looks like. This is a sample house which I imported inside Blender. So the first thing you have to do in the file section is to create a new IFC project. So you can choose this kind of project, metric, imperial, whatever you want. And after you can see here the section BIM. Obviously you have the same structure, the same layout structure, but now we are using the BIM section which is here. Now we have on the left side the outliner of this project, and on the right side we have the scene which contains many features. So this is just a quick overview of this add-on. If you want to download and put Bonsai into Blender, you have to go to Edit, Preferences, and you can choose the Bonsai, which is here. But first of all, of course, you have to download it and after install into Blender. So this is a small sample house. Let's just have a look shortly, briefly, quickly how it looks like. IFC schema is IFC 4. The overview contains, here you can see it, so this is the name. After it comes the site, after the building and the stories. We have the basement, the ground floor, first floor, and the roof area. Here you can see the elevation. So this particular project, this house, is coming from ArchiCAD. The layer structure is containing the project, after the site, and the building and the stories. And in this case, the whole project, you can see here, the whole IFC project contains 318 elements, and these elements are divided into classes, you can see here. So we have IFC beam, IFC building element part, IFC column, covering, door, whatever, roof. So these classes are here, and if we open those classes, we can see we have types, and under the types we have individual instances. So this is the structure of this IFC project. If we in the scene, if we click the second option, the second option is object information. And here, if I click on this, for example, if I click on this roof, we have the global ID, which is coming from our CAD software, which was ArchiCAD. In this case, we have so we have the global ID, we have the name, we have the tag, and the predefined type, which is gable roof. So if you want to change this into another predefined type, you can choose whatever roof type you want. So basically the class is IFC roof, and the predefined type you can choose over here. Of course, you have many features to choose from, but this video is about just to have a quick overview. So BlenderBIM or Bonsai, it allows you to validate, to check your IFC model. If there is any issues, you can choose, and of course you can export as well from Blender. So thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.